Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a debt repayment strategy with Discover, complete guide step by step clearly. First, assess your current debt situation. Gather all your financial statements and documents. List each debt, including the balance, interest rate, and minimum payment. Calculate your total monthly income and expenses. Determine how much you can allocate towards debt repayment each month. Choose a debt repayment strategy that fits your financial situation. Consider the snowball method, focusing on the smallest debts first. Alternatively, use the avalanche method, targeting the debts with the highest interest rates. Set a realistic timeline for your repayment goals. Create a budget to track your monthly spending and saving. Use a debt repayment calculator to visualize your progress. Explore options for consolidating debt through a personal loan or balance transfer credit card. If eligible, consider a Discover personal loan for lower interest rates. Stay proactive by regularly reviewing and adjusting your budget. Make extra payments whenever possible to accelerate your progress. Establish an emergency fund to avoid accumulating more debt. Finally, celebrate your milestones as you pay down your debt. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.